I mean, guys, take a look at my hands. This is how the hands look like when you make 400 pizzas. 24 hours until tomorrow. At this time, making a waste pizza, no stop for even 1 minute. Here we go, guys. This is what it takes to get the Guinness World Record. I have to make 24 hours pizzas. This event was live streamed for 24 hours. So I'm preparing all the dough for the events because we're gonna prepare probably 600 pizzas minimum. So I'm gonna make it all by myself from A to Z. I wanna show you what I'm going to do. We're doing the first batch of dough. It's a quality pizza dough. So because every pizza that we're going to make, especially during the night, around 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. I have a guy that coming. I'm gonna bring all these pizzas to the church around here, and then we're gonna try to sell it. So if some customer comes, we're gonna sell it to go. So let's go ahead. Let's finish up this first batch of dough. 5 liters of Poolish. Then I add the day after 10 liters of water. And that brings up to like basically 1 bag of flour total. So I'm gonna write down everything on the description how this dough was made, but also we're gonna make more during the day today. Okay guys, we made the first batch. Like you can see, we don't have no more boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can rent it. I'm gonna see if I can borrow it. Wait that the dough gets in temperature and then in the fridge. This one I'm gonna ball it, put it in a big container and put it in the fridge. So everything is gonna go in the fridge when the dough is ready. So I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow is the big day. So I'm gonna go to the gym, bring the kids to the school, and then take a nap because at 5 p.m. we need to do the 24 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare because this takes a week of preparation. Like you saw, just finished the gym. Now let's go, let's prepare, and then hopefully I can have a few hours later. Okay, so we should receive the cheese anytime soon. We're gonna prepare everything right now.
Mozzarella.
Oh, voila, we got the cheese. And of course we are using fresh mozzarella, guys. Everything with quality. Grazie Michele.
Dai che ce la fai.
World record.
Vai.
That's it.
Quante pizze farai?
700, 600, 700.
La faccio.
We need more mozzarella.
Inizia a fare
Right.
le mozzarelle.
So it's gonna bring fresh mozzarella while, because we're in Bari, so they're gonna make it and bring it to us fresh because everything is made with quality. So, grazie Michele.
Grazie a te. Ciao Vito.
I'll see you later. Okay guys, this is the dough. That's the Polish that we made. Of course, this is the number 3 of the dough. We have everything ready right there. We put 10 liters of water, 8 kilograms of flour, 5 grams of honey, and 5 grams of yeast because I put 8 because it doesn't fit in these containers, but usually it's 10. Then we're gonna add another 6 liters of water with 575 grams of salt, and usually it goes 1 bag total, so that's 25 kilos of flour. By the way, those are the shoes that I'm using for this event, municipal. They're the most comfortable shoes to stay on the feet for 24 hours. We'll see, I'll let you know at the end of this video how those shoes are. Thank you, by the way, municipal, Polish in, of course. I say 25 kilos minus the 8 kilograms that we have here. Speed number 1, otherwise we make a mess. Now, I'm gonna try to dissolve. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna add just half amount. This dough is like a usual dough that I make all the time, but this is I maximize, so I made a lot. And this is the number 3, so you imagine we're gonna prepare about 600 to 700 pizzas, so that's about 500 kilograms of dough. Okay guys, while this dough is mixing, let's go ahead, come with me, we're gonna prepare the basil really quick. So the basil, it's easy to do. We're just gonna go ahead and just, because the leaves are big, I'm gonna go ahead and break it. I might make 1 pizza at a time, or somebody can order 20 pizzas, because I already got some orders. One guy, one church, just ordered 50 pizzas yesterday. Okay guys, we made basically the time is flying, and then I have to go try to do some rest, at least even 2 hours. The dough is ready. Like you can see, it's full of bubbling. It's nice, and 70% hydration. This is the dough from yesterday. But finally, my father brought the dough tray. This way we can put that, because this fridge is full of dough. Of course, I'm gonna try to sleep a few hours because it's what time is it now? It's 10:30. So go ahead and watch until the end and see. I'll see you when we start this show.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. It's time to make it happen. 1 hour and a half is gonna be ready. So this is the dough that we made yesterday, and we need to bring the dough in room temperature. So because I'm planning to do about maybe 30-40 pizzas an hour, this record is not about how many pizzas I make. It's about consistency. It's gonna be consistency 24 hours making pizza. So I can make 1, I can make 10. It depends on the orders that we're gonna have. That's the amount of the pizzas that we're gonna. You might think that these boxes are big, but this is for a reason. I got this big like this because those are for the basically homeless, for the people that most, like for the churches, for the local school. So I'm gonna go ahead and put I'm gonna try to put to fit 4 pizzas right here. See, this is more comfortable to bring to them, and is cheaper. So I invest everything in this. So hopefully we can make this happen. Okay guys, it's time. We have 30 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This way my back, because already my back hurts. So I'm gonna stand for 24 hours. This is gonna be tough. So let's put this on. That's good. Jacket on. Now I'm gonna take everything out and ready to go live on YouTube, guys. Siamo live, silenzio. Il microfono. Oh, la vedo io. Potete controllare se siamo live. Hello guys, we are trying to figure out if this live works. So before we start everything, and don't worry, 24 hours is gonna be 24 hours. The time is still on the clock. Guys, everything is set to try to make this world record. Che dici? This world record is gonna be, c'è l'audio, no?
Sì.
It's gonna be 24 hours pizza making non-stop. So by myself, I will try to make 24 hours until tomorrow. This time, making always pizza non-stop for even 1 minute. And then I have my friend Loris here, back here, is preparing more dough, because we finished all the dough tray. So I got comfortable shoes, I got a belt. What do you think? We should start?
Yes.
Nobody ever did something like that ever in the pizza history. Okay, somebody ordered already some pizzas. Good. So let's start this. 3, 2, 1, boom. And the world record starts now. We put the countdown 24 hours. Si vede bene? 24 hours starts now, and guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start the pizzas. This way we don't waste any time, because the goal is making pizza no stop. So I cannot stop. Sorry if I don't read the question, but I need to focus. So I'm gonna go ahead. The technique here, because I've been studying for a couple of weeks, is to start slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first pizza. And guys, what can I say? It's the first pizza, and let's make this world record. Let's go ahead and let's start to make just one. Okay guys, like you can see, I'm a little bit tired. I'm stretching pizzas like no stop here. We have about 15 hours and a half to go, because one pizza goes out, one pizza goes in. It's full of pizzas there too. But the challenging is been going so far so good. 15 hours, my elbow really hurts, my back hurts, but they're still really strong. I'm gonna make it happen. So stay with me. I'm gonna get some time lapse here and there. Hold on, I'll show you the pizza 1 second, really quick. If it's soft and crunchy, it's soft and then it's crunchy. Of course, I'm putting really low cheese because it's for the young kids. I mean, guys, take a look at my hands. This is how the hands look like when you make 400 pizzas. Definitely, I'm not gonna do this again. Okay guys, like you can see, we are 11 hours out of this record. So technically already I have a 12 hours world record. I didn't stop for 1 second. We made it right now at 464 pizzas. I'm really tired right now. We've been making pizzas all the time. Like you can see, the oven is full and one pizza goes in, one pizza goes out. Yeah, my back really is in pain, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it happen, and hopefully smash that like for this video, and I'll see you in still get this time lapse, and I'll see you when we get to this number get down. So I'm gonna keep going. Okay guys, we are at 6 hours and 30 minutes left. I'll keep going and keep going strong. In the meantime, I'm going back and forth with school, donation, people that come in here to buy the pizza. We are doing part bake because a little bit is going to be lunchtime, so everybody's gonna come to order. So what I'm gonna do, add more cheese, put it back in the oven, and then boom, it's nice and fresh. In the meantime, my friend Loris right there is no, non mi possono donare, we're live right there. My friend Loris there is preparing more dough and more dough and more dough. Let's keep going. I still got the time lapse right there. My arm is tough. Oh, look, I have 3 pair of shoes right now because every hour I'm changing it. Somebody on the live chat told me to do that, and actually I feel good on my back. So let's go ahead and let's keep rolling. And finally, the one is gone. 59 seconds. They're still making pizza soft and crunchy in the same time, guys. You can see my face. Right now, this hour is really critical because it's critical. We've been crazy. Crazy. I can't even talk because I'm really exhausted. Too many pizzas. We are at 780 pizzas right now. Crazy amount of pizza, but this is not about how many pizzas you make. It's about making pizzas straight, no stop, no rest for 24 hours. It's incredible. I almost give up at 10 hours, and then I see so many people on the live chat here and there, and then people say so much support. I say, okay, I'm gonna do it. So let's go ahead, let's do it. Let's finish up this hour, and then I'll see you at the world record of 24 hours making pizza straight, non-stop, one person. Since now we made, quante pizze abbiamo fatto? Approximately almost 800. Almost 800 pizzas, guys. It's not about how many pizzas you made, it's about the time. Making pizza non-stop by myself for 24 hours. That's the new world record by Maestro Iacopelli. Now try to beat that. 24 hours, stand non-stop, don't even for 1 minute, making pizza non-stop. And the pizzas still soft and crunchy in the same time. Now let's wait this timer to get to 0 and let's celebrate. Last pizza, guys. Quante persone? 800.
800 persone.
Dai, ce la facciamo.
Dai,
Ce la facciamo.
ready to
Share the
1000.
link with your friends everywhere on
Fate.
Instagram, Facebook.
6 minutes to the end.
This is the last pizza, I don't want to see. Perché? You want me to make another one?
Io non vorrei vedere più pizza nel sorpreso.
Boom.
Dici un'altra cosa.
Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations, Jack.
Ok, countdown, start now. 10, 9, 8,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, guys. Today was made the first ever world record of 24 hours making pizza straight by myself. High five. High five, Loris, Daisy. We made the world record today. Today we're gonna finish up this, guys. And we finish up the live stream on YouTube. Everything went well, so the live stream is on YouTube, so go ahead and check it out, the world record made here at Soft and Crunchy. Thanks to Loris, Daisy for the support. We've been working for 36 hours non-stop.
And
Because
share
also,
this video everywhere.
yeah, share the video with everywhere, because trust me, it's been crazy. Besides the preparation, it's not only about 24 hours making pizza, we've been prepped. Let's go to sleep.
Thank you. It's a beautiful experience. We are tired, so much tired, but never to forget.
We're gonna go to sleep. It
Yes,
was worth
of
it.
course.
It was worth it.
Yes,
Boom, ha fatto,
We
va.
wanna sleep for 24 hours.
Loris.
I will not forget this experience in my life.
Thank you so much, guys, for all the donors of this live. You guys have been insane. Everything will be, all the pizzas been donated, and that's it. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao from Maestro
Bye.
Iacopelli. Ciao.